Now our lentil soup, tingmo and curry, right? That's lunch. You know how it is? You know, you have, you go to Indian restaurant, you have this curry, right? Our curry is not like that. Our curry is 3 months of cabbage, 3 months of potatoes, or 3 months of radish, because that's the cheapest, most available vegetable in town. If you have to eat radish every day for 3 months, how would you feel? I think your body and everything smell like radish, And if you get one piece of meat, there are 10 people in one chusho, in one row. In the bucket, there'll be only 3 or 4 meat. If you get one, that's lottery. And our dumpling tingmo is so dark and hard, if you throw it, bounces higher. So there's only one thing in the world which proves Newton's third law wrong, is Phushung Lopta tingmo. So that's why when mommy prepares this soft, hot, white tingmo to you, they are living the dream. That's what they dreamt, okay? So that's how I grew up. So then in school, sometimes Darjeeling winter is very cold. I lost, what happens in our school? The elders, we all have shortage of pocket money, okay? Elders, what they do is they steal your shoes, barter shoes, and they sell it to make money. And the young ones, we don't have shoes now. We have to walk around with chappal in winter. I have spent winter without shoes. Now look at you all. I saw when you were dancing, I was so envious of your shoes. Oh, this thick, that thick, Ugg shoes and all kind of designer shoes. I was like, wow, during those days, if I had one of those shoes, that would be like showing off whole day, So you all are very lucky that way. And now it's central heated. No, it's quite hot in here. Yes or no? Our school, there's a sun during the day. You have to soak in everything that you can get and survive the night. It's so cold, really. And our windows are broken in hostel. When the cold air comes from there, we have to put the quilt here. When the cold air comes from here, you are very smart. Even in deep sleep, you know where the cold air is coming from. So that's how we grew up. So comparatively, you are in better situation or not? Yes? So don't demand too much, okay, to your parents. Oh, I want the latest one. I want the hottest one. I want the brand new one. I want the most expensive. Whatever you get, it's like 100 times better than what your parents got. Okay? Don't be too demanding. Yes or no? That clap, started from the parent section. They all